So now we have more letters to create more words. Okay, so now we have the letters A. Let's remember them together. Ba, bravo. Ta, tha. Okay. Ha, bravo. Ja, عظيم. This one. Kha. Okay. Let's change the color. Yalla. Da. Tha. Ra. Za. O. E. O. E, of course. Da, tha, ra, za, O, E. O, E, vowel letters, which doesn't take harakat, because vowel letters. If you wanted to put fatha, for example, you're gonna say O, O. Doesn't make any sense, right? So the vowel letters, which is the three letters, R, O, E, doesn't take harakat. Okay, now let's try to connect ba and then he and then Okay, ba in the beginning, he in the middle, bravo, and then bahr, bahr, which is ocean or sea, bahr. Okay. Now we have two letters, re, and then z. As we said before, the last letter always silent. Z, sukun, with sukun. That's the circle on it, called sukun. Riz, riz. Same, riz, because these two letters doesn't connect, right? We said we have 6 letters in Arabic doesn't connect. A and da, tha, ra, za, o. This is the 6 letters doesn't connect. Doesn't connect with the letters after. Bravo, not before. With before, connect. They give the hand before, they don't give their hand for the letters after. So, riz, which is rice. Okay, let's try more words. We almost know 13 or 14 letters in Arabic. Now we have tu, and then o, and then t. Okay, yalla, the te in the beginning, and then o, and then t, which is toot. Toot, blueberry, toot. Okay, now we have jo, o, z. Jo, o, z. Yalla, together. The jo in the beginning, bravo, and then the o, sorry, and then the o, and then the z. Why you didn't connect it? Because the z, one of the letters that doesn't connect. So try to read it. Jose, Jose, walnut, Jose, Jose. Okay, bravo. Well done, guys. Well done. عظيم, عظيم. Now we have B, and then D, and then E. Yalla, try to connect it and read it. D, D, E doesn't connect, bravo. Biddi, بدي. Someone telling me I'm feeling there is two da, which is بدي. Above it we put this thing called shaddi. Shaddi, which is when we put it in the letter, make the letter stronger, like make the letter double, which is you feel this letter, it share the sound with the letter before bid and with the letter after di. بدي بدي يعني I want. بدي 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 رز. I want rice. Okay. بدي. Now we have this word ba and then he and then yeah, try to connect it, guys. You can. Believe yourself. Ba. Okay, the he in the middle. Ba, he. بحث. بحث. يعني search or research. بحث. Okay. Now the last word, guys, gonna be homework. You're gonna write it down. This is your mission to comment and try to connect this word and try to read it. We have 4 letters: a, ba, a, r. After 100 comments, I will write the meaning of this word. Have a lovely day. يوم حلو.